to have fun with science. I'm going to show you how to float needle on water. An iron needle does not float on water, it will sink because it is thicker than water. There's a trick to float needle on water. Do you want to know the trick? Watch the video till end. Are you ready to enjoy the fun? Come on, let's get started. Interesting. Try in your home. Hope you will enjoy my video. Before signing off, like, share and subscribe. Bye.